Good morning from Biscayne Bay, from a second island on the Atlantic. We're waiting for Tioga to rise, and now we have our seagulls. Magical seagulls are flying around. There's pelicans on the bay, there's porpoises, there's manatees, a lot of red snapper I saw this morning already. But again, you'll have a beautiful day. This is the way our sky looks like. It's magic, it's afoot. It is just beautiful. It's like dreaming being in a cloud full of birds. So from Biscayne Bay, goddesses of the universe, take care and stay away from evil matter. Aho, from Biscayne Bay.